it's Miss Terrell here. Do not throw out your old candles. Let me help you save some money. Let's get started. So you got some leftover wax at the end of your favorite candle and you just can't part with it. You don't want to throw it away. So you keep those and you're going to melt that wax and you're going to make you a brand new candle. You're also going to need a jar for this project. It can have a lid or maybe it doesn't. But if you do have a lid, it keeps the dust from building up on top of it. So once you have your candles and your jar, you're going to need some wick. That's the stuff that's on the string. Well, it's a string. And it comes in a spool like the ones pictured here. It comes in different sizes based on your fragrance load. You can also purchase pre-made wick with the wick tab already pre-assembled. So all you would have to do is take one like this. And then you're gonna adhere it to the bottom of your new candle jar. It's easier. You can have one with a lid or without a lid. So I guess the next thing to do is get into this video. But first, here's some optional items. You could use some gloves in case you wanna save your nails, don't wanna mess up your fingers. And you can use a heating tool to correct any mistakes that may have happened during the pouring process. It's electric, so go ahead, plug it in. A measuring cup if you decide to do some measuring, but here you go. I almost forgot this baby right here could be used for a 3-wick candle, but we're not using that today. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is a heat source. I'm choosing to use my hot plate. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it all the way up. And then I'm gonna grab my pot that I got from the Goodwill, and I'm gonna put some water in it, tag and all. I'm leaving the tag in there, I'm not gonna take it out. So I was gonna use the measuring cup, but I decided to just go to the tub and fill up the pot with water. Well, not fill it up, but put water in it. Once you've added the water, bring it to a boil. But check out these nails. Look at there. Bring it to a boil, then add in your old candles. You really wanna be careful because this water is hot. This candle wax is hot. Everything is hot, so you kind of want to be careful. I've been doing this a nice little while, so I might use those gloves so I can save my nails from getting all jacked up. And see, I like to take the wick tab out. You see, I'm not using my gloves or my god darn it, come on. See, you want to take that out and you don't want to reuse that. If y'all hear that fan in the background, it's okay. See, take it out, don't use it. And we're going to center it. So I just dip it in, let me show you. I just dip it, you know? I dip it in there. And then I kind of want to gauge the middle of the jar. Okay, so take my little popsicle sticks. Make sure it's in the middle. That looks like it's centered to me. First layer has solidified or semi-solidified. This I had to heat it up a little bit so it can melt a little bit, and seeing that I'm fancy like that, I decided to add some more fragrance oil in here. So I put some more in there, and now I'm going to stir it. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. See the little black particles in there? That is from the wick that was used to burn the candle. So I don't care about those little specks. You ain't gonna care about it either because you're making your own candle. So you want to stir that for about 30 seconds to a minute until that fragrance mixes with this wax. Again, this is not a candle that I made, but this is what Miss Terrell is doing. So coming along beautifully. Both layers are coming together. It's almost solidified. That is your candle, but I'm gonna put some red sprinkles on the top, so hold on. All right, to add those little red sprinkles that I mentioned previously, I'm gonna take this scent shot that I made some time ago. I'm just gonna pop it out of the container. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my grater that I use to finely grate waxes or soaps and soaps. For this one, I'm going to choose to use the smaller end of my grater just to make little tiny ripples of waxes on the top. And then that's going to be the little decoration for this particular candle. And that's it. Sprinkles.
I'm a savage.